In other law enforcement matters, a joint task force has apprehended Leslie Christopher Rogers in Frederiksted. Rogers, who is wanted in California on attempted murder and firearm possession charges, had a warrant for his arrest issued in April by the courts in Sacramento. The Virgin Islands Police Department says that on Monday of this week, agents with the U.S. Drug Enforcement Agency and high-intensity drug trafficking areas received a request from the Pacific Southwest Regional Fugitive Task Force of Sacramento to help locate Rogers, as intelligence indicated that the suspect was on Croix. Just before 6 p.m. on Tuesday, VIPD detectives, agents from the DEA and HIDTA Task Force, the VIPD Rapid Intervention Team, the department's Special Operations Bureau, officers with the Marine Unit, and the U.S. Marshal Service tracked Rogers down to a location in Estate Diamond. The arrest warrant was executed and Rogers was taken into custody without incident. He is now at the John Bell Correctional Facility awaiting his first appearance in court. Following the successful apprehension, St. Croix Police Chief Sean Santos said that the joint operation proves the capability of local and federal law enforcement of bringing wanted fugitives to justice. Meanwhile, 2 men from the British Virgin Islands caught with over 500 kilos of cocaine near St. Croix in January pleaded guilty to charges of possession, U.S. Attorney Delia Smith announced on Wednesday. Sean John, 35, and Emmanuel Tolentino Lebron, 21, both of Tortola, pleaded guilty before Magistrate Judge Emil Henderson III to conspiracy to possess with intent to distribute cocaine while on board a vessel subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. In January, Customs and Border Protection air and marine agents spotted a vessel to the northeast of St. Croix heading north towards the BVI. Bales of suspected contraband were in plain view on the deck of the 32-foot Manta low-profile vessel, which was outfitted with twin 300 HP outboard engines. Agents found the boat dead in the water in an area known by law enforcement for drug trafficking. There was no flag, registration, or other indication of nationality, and thus, although the vessel was in international waters, it was deemed subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. On board, officials found John, Tolentino Lebron, and 2 other men, along with 21 plastic-wrapped bales secured with rope. Analysis by Drug Enforcement Administration laboratories confirmed that the bales contained cocaine hydrochloride, approximately 567 kilograms of the narcotic, worth approximately $20 million. Both defendants face a mandatory minimum sentence of 10 years in prison.